Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast, Real English Conversation.
Hi, guys. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today's topic is very interesting and very useful. We will talk about personal experiences.
Yes, we will learn how to talk about things from our life, like your day, your memories, and your past experiences.
And don't worry, we will use simple English step by step.
We will listen, then discuss, and then listen again. This helps you learn faster.
If you enjoy this podcast, don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right, let's begin.
Part 1, talking about daily experience. First, let's listen to a simple example.
Listen carefully.
Yesterday, I woke up early. I drank tea, then I went for a walk. It was a good day.
Nice and simple. Now let's talk about it.
We use yesterday to talk about the past.
Yes, yesterday means one day before today.
Repeat after me. Yesterday.
Good job.
Next sentence. I woke up early.
Woke up is past form of wake up.
Example. I wake up at 7 every day. Yesterday, I woke up at 6.
Great. Now your turn. Say, I woke up early.
Very nice.
Next, I drank tea.
Drank is past of drink.
Example, I drink water every day. Yesterday, I drank tea.
Simple, right?
Now listen again.
Yesterday, I woke up early. I drank tea, then I went for a walk. It was a good day.
Part 2, talking about food experience. Now let's talk about food. Everyone loves food.
Yes, listen to this.
Last night, I ate simple food. I had rice and vegetables. It was delicious.
Now we explain.
Last night means yesterday evening or night.
Repeat. Last night.
Good job.
Next, I ate simple food.
Ate is past of eat.
Example, I eat breakfast every day. Yesterday, I ate bread.
Very good.
Next, it was delicious.
Delicious means very tasty.
Example, this food is delicious.
Now you try. It was delicious.
Nice. You're improving already.
Let's listen again. Last night, I ate simple food. I had rice and vegetables. It was delicious.
Part 3, talking about a memory. Now, let's talk about a memory.
A memory is something from your past.
Listen carefully.
When I was a child, I played in the park. I was very happy.
Now we explain.
When I was a child means in your childhood.
Repeat. When I was a child.
Great.
Next, I played in the park.
Played is past of play.
Example, I play cricket today. Yesterday, I played cricket.
Good example.
Next, I was very happy.
I was is past of I am.
Example, I am happy today. Yesterday, I was happy.
Now say, I was very happy.
Nice.
Listen again. When I was a child, I played in the park. I was very happy.
Part 4, asking about experience.
Now let's learn how to ask questions.
Very important.
Listen.
What did you do yesterday?
This is a common question.
Repeat. What did you do yesterday?
Great job.
Now answer.
Yesterday, I watched TV and talked to my friend.
Simple and natural.
Let's break it.
I watched TV. Watched is past of watch.
I talked to my friend. Talked is past of talk.
Now your turn. Answer this question. What did you do yesterday?
Take your time, think, and speak.
That's great practice.
Part 5, short conversation practice. Listen, then repeat, then speak. All right, let's start with a simple conversation. Just listen first.
What did you do yesterday?
I stayed at home. I watched a movie.
Oh, nice. What movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy movie. It was very funny.
That sounds good.
Now let's understand.
I stayed at home. Repeat. I stayed at home.
Good job.
Stayed is past of stay.
Example, I stay at home today. Yesterday, I stayed at home.
Now next sentence. I watched a movie.
Repeat, I watched a movie.
Nice.
Watched is past of watch.
Now question. What movie did you watch?
Repeat, what movie did you watch?
Very good.
Now listen again.
What did you do yesterday?
I stayed at home. I watched a movie.
What movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy movie. It was very funny.
Part 6, talking about weekend experience. Now let's talk about weekend. Listen first.
Last weekend, I visited my friend. We talked a lot. We ate food together.
Sounds fun.
Now we explain.
Last weekend means Saturday and Sunday before today. Repeat. Last weekend.
Great job. Last weekend, I visited my friend.
Repeat. I visited my friend.
Visited as past of visit.
Next, we talked a lot.
Repeat. We talked a lot.
A lot means many times or for a long time.
Next, we ate food together.
Repeat. We ate food together.
Now listen again. Last weekend, I visited my friend. We talked a lot. We ate food together.
Part 7, talking about a bad experience.
Don't worry, this is also important.
Listen first.
Yesterday, I felt sick. I stayed in bed. I did not go outside.
Now we explain.
I felt sick.
Repeat. I felt sick.
Felt is past to feel.
Next, I stayed in bed.
Repeat. I stayed in bed.
Next, I did not go outside.
Repeat. I did not go outside.
Did not means negative in past.
Now listen again. Yesterday, I felt sick. I stayed in bed. I did not go outside.
Part 8. Longer conversation practice.
Now a longer conversation. Just listen.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to my village.
Oh, nice. What did you do there?
I met my family. We talked and ate together.
How was it?
It was very nice. I was very happy.
Now repeat step by step.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to my village.
What did you do there?
I met my family.
How was it?
It was very nice.
Part 9. Talking about travel experience. Listen, discuss, listen again.
Let's start with a simple travel story. Just listen.
Last month, I went to a new city. I traveled by train. It was a good experience.
Nice. Now let's understand.
Last month means the month before now.
Repeat. Last month.
Good job.
I went to a new city.
I went to a new city.
Went is past of go.
Example, I go to school every day. Yesterday, I went to school.
Next, I traveled by train.
I traveled by train.
Traveled is past of travel.
Next, it was a good experience.
It was a good experience. Now listen again.
Last month, I went to a new city. I traveled by train. It was a good experience. Part 10. Talking about learning experience. Now let's talk about learning something new. Listen first.
Last year, I learned English. I practiced every day. It was not easy, but I improved.
Now we explain.
Last year means the year before now.
Repeat. Last year.
Good.
I learned English.
I learned English.
Learned is past of learn.
Next, I practiced every day.
I practiced every day.
Practiced is past of practice.
Next, it was not easy.
It was not easy.
Next, but I improved.
But I improved. Now listen again.
Last year, I learned English. I practiced every day. It was not easy, but I improved. Part 11. Talking about a first experience.
Now let's talk about a first experience.
Something you did for the first time.
Listen carefully.
I tried cooking for the first time. I was nervous, but the food was good.
Now we explain.
I tried cooking.
I tried cooking.
Tried is past of try.
Next, for the first time.
For the first time.
Next, I was nervous.
I was nervous.
Nervous means a little afraid or unsure.
Next, the food was good.
The food was good. Now listen again.
I tried cooking for the first time. I was nervous, but the food was good. Part 12. Asking about experiences. Now let's learn how to ask about experiences.
Listen first.
Have you ever traveled alone?
This is a very useful question.
Repeat. Have you ever traveled alone?
Good job.
Now answer.
Yes, I traveled alone last year.
Or you can say,
No, I did not travel alone. Next question.
have you ever tried new food?
Have you ever tried new food?
Good.
Answer. Yes, I tried new food last month. No, I did not try new food.
Part 13. Conversation practice.
Now listen to a full conversation.
Have you ever traveled alone?
Yes, I traveled alone last year.
Where did you go?
I went to a small town.
How was it?
It was a great experience. I learned many things.
Now repeat step by step.
Have you ever traveled alone?
Yes, I traveled alone last year.
Where did you go?
I went to a small town.
How was it?
It was a great experience.
Today you learned how to talk about experiences,
Travel experience.
learning experience,
First time experience.
and how to ask questions.
You are doing very well.
Keep practicing every day.
Now tell us.
Have you ever traveled alone?
Write your answer and speak it.
See you next time.
Bye. Keep learning.